Welcome, Infonomy is a HAFURY GT20 and today I will show you how you can put this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started you want to hold your power button and select power off. Now when the device turns off, which you'll be informed when it turns off with a vibration, you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. Okay, now has the vibration, so power, volume up at the same time. After a moment it will boot you into bootloader, like this one. So in here you want to select the middle option, I believe. Let me just quickly look. Yep. So middle option, and then press volume down to confirm it. And there we go. We are now in Fastboot mode, which you can see right over here. I'm going to bring it a little bit closer because this is a super tiny text. So there we go. Now, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, you can hold your power button and after holding it for like 10 to 20 seconds, it should turn off the device. There we go. And as you can see, the device will boot back up on its own. Now as you can see, the device is back on, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.